I wanted to tell you guys a funny story real quick because I don't know if you've seen, but in my background, there's a happy birthday sign. It's actually been up since July. And so basically my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law, they came over back in July for my husband and my 5-year-old's birthday, Caleb, and they hung this up. And so, I don't know, a month later, we were like, oh, the sign's still up. And we're like, well, whatever. My birthday was coming up in November. So we went ahead and left it for November. So November comes, my birthday comes and goes. And then now it's like, oh, well, Avy's birthday is in a couple weeks. His birthday is now in a couple days. And then we have Benny's birthday at the end of December. So basically this is a banner, happy birthday banner that's lasted us 5 months and 5 birthdays.
And it only costs $1.
It only costs $1.
You guys are crazy.
Speaking of birthdays, my sweet friends, Allie and Gabe, they sent me over a birthday gift and a birthday Christmas combined. And she got me some of my favorite Bath & Body Works soaps. We got some hand spray here. I think there's some more sanitizer down there. And then some hand wipes. Everybody needs those right now. Nice bottle of wine. Let's see. I got some chapsticks. Much needed right now too with this mask wearing. Really pretty C cup for Cindy. And some C socks. Love that. And then this cool, I don't know if I could get it out actually, but let me try. Look how cool this box is. I like how it just like pops up like that. Okay, we're going out to take 80 to do some practice driving. Am I sitting in the back? Yeah, okay. Oh, you want me to sit in the front? Okay. Anyways, he's been asking us to take him for a while. And surprisingly, my husband is gonna let him drive the new truck.
I'm scared.
Don't crash it, son.
I'll legally be able to drive it in like 6 months.
I know. I don't want you to drive though.
Picking up strangers.
Picked up a hitchhiker?
Yeah. Let's go. Dang, calling shots. Let's go.
You know you were on YouTube yesterday? Was it yesterday?
Ooh.
You linked.
No, was it?
Yeah, you were on YouTube yesterday.
Where?
My vlog.
We blow it up. Oh, I can see the front seat. You're right. I want to drive. Oh, no, not when you drive. I got to be right there. So I can jump over and take the wheel. I'm going to have this thing up. Oh, mom can sit right there too. Oh, you really drive with yourself right in the front seat. You want your mom up here. You better get right. No, I'm saying because you're going to have all 3 seats up.
Why are those things blinking? Oh, they just...
What things are blinking?
Oh, it's a video. Never mind. The, you know, the heater and the
yeah,
hot and the cold?
It's like a LED.
Yeah, it blinks on the camera, but it's not actually blinking. That's crazy.
You got gas in here? Yeah. What? I'm not. Because you're here kind
Because what?
See, I'm not going to be driving like that.
Like what? Oh, like Dad was right now?
No.
But are you nervous?
Kind of. Not really. Only because it's a truck. Because it can destroy a lot more, and this is brand new, so. Yeah, it's like 5 days old.
No pressure, son.
Yeah, no pressure. I think I have, what, 3 hours of experience under my belt?
Yeah, yeah, maybe. You've driven, we've taken you out to drive what, like, I think 3 times. 4 times?
Yeah.
Is that counting the first one we did in our neighborhood, like with, I think it was Grandma Cindy's car? We usually come out here to this big empty parking lot because it's open and probably safer than anywhere else to teach them how to drive.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. I'm about to run over his little car. Yeah. There we go.
There he goes. You shouldn't be nervous, son. You got this.
So now we have Cindy over here trying to teach her son how she drives.
I'm just gentle when I drive. I'm just like, you know.
Dad drives a lot.
All right,
What?
how close is she to that
I'm
curve?
good.
Are we?
Good.
She was good.
Pigeons.
Ziggy, she about to kill a bird.
He's just even scared of her.
I
Move,
know.
they're gonna move.
He's stretching.
Yeah, to drive.
He got to stretch to drive. He's about to...
Relax. Relax the shoulders. All right.
We had the.
First, when you get in your car,
People are probably like,
Put your-
what are these guys doing?
you get in your car, you put your seat down, adjust your mirrors, make sure you're all right. Lock your car, because that's why I fucked that. Yeah, man.
That's where he flunked because he didn't like it.
I didn't like my car. When I go home,
I'm excited. I've never seen your dad drive before.
My dad hasn't had a license my whole life. I'm 36 years old.
you know,
You've been driving your whole life.
look at.
Yeah, yeah.
There you go. Let the wheel go by itself. I tell you, go right. Look at my finger. Go right. That's the going left. Don't listen to his finger. I told my friend, go straight. Look at my finger, he went left. Don't listen to the fingers, because the fingers will tell you a lie.
You know where I learned how to drive? In the cemetery. My mom said I had to drive in the cemetery so I wouldn't, because I couldn't kill
Because you could
anybody.
kill
'cause
somebody
they're-
already did. That was a good one.
Oh, I know.
Oh my
Hey, hey,
Jesus.
hey,
Oh,
I love
Wait,
God.
look at.
We never really been to this park and it's literally right by our house. So we're gonna go check it out. We're from California originally, but we've been living in Vegas for about 8 or 9 years now. And we're over it sometimes, but it's days like these and places like this that actually make me feel like I'm not, because the weather is like 65, 70 out here, perfect weather, nice little breeze. And this is a beautiful park. This is the kind of stuff that we like. We like outdoor, beautiful places to go to. So overall, I think Katie did a pretty good job on the driving. The truck is still in perfect condition. There were no crashes or anything, so that's all I asked for. We'll see you guys in the next one. Have a blessed one, and don't forget to turn notifications on and subscribe. Bye.